Wiring of KNX Devices course, as one of our new series for free KNX videos. In this video, we will explain more information about certified KNX cables and connectors. The KNX or EIB cable is a European installation fieldbus bus cable suitable for use in KNX systems, formerly known as EIB, by KNX. It forms part of green building control systems and intelligent building technology, improving comfort levels whilst reducing carbon footprint and running costs. The KNX EIB cable works on the standardized OSI network communications protocol, succeeding EHACE, BATAbus, and EIB. With its excellent electrical and shielded transmission performance, KNX EIB cables can be used for data transmission and to connect building technology systems. With the flame retardant, non-corrosive low-smoke zero-halogen sheath, these KNX cables can be deployed both in private houses and public places. First type of KNX cables, YCYM 2x2x08. At fixed installation, dry, humid and wet rooms, wall-mounted, flush-mounted, in conduits. At outdoor, if protected against direct sun radiation. Test voltage, 4 kV according to EN 50090. Second type of KNX cables, JY, ST, Y2x2x08. At fixed installation, dry and humid industrial sites, wall-mounted, flush-mounted, in conduits. At outdoor, flush-mounted and conduits. Test voltage, 2.5 kV according to EN 50090. Only the standardized green KNX TP cable guarantees that data is transmitted reliably over the total cable length of the line segment, max 1000 meter. Maximum distance between two bus devices in a line, 700 meter. Maximum number of bus devices per line, 256 devices. When installing a standardized cable with a test voltage of 4 kV, the following conditions apply. Used wire pair. Red wire is plus, black wire is minus. Spare wire pair, white-yellow permitted use of the spare wire pair. No connection at all, for other SELV low-voltage networks. Insulated wire cores of sheathed mains cables and KNX TP bus cables may be installed next to each other without any clearance space. It should be noted that only the KNX certified bus cable, YCYM 2x2x0.8, may be installed parallel to 230 or 400 volt cables due to the higher insulation resistance, whereas for the cable type JY, ST, Y, 2x2x0.8 this only applies to 230 volt cables. A minimum clearance space of 4 mm must be observed between the insulated wire cores of KNX TP bus cables and those of sheathed 230 volt AC mains cables. Alternatively, the wire cores must be provided with an equivalent insulation, such as a spacer or insulation sleeving. This also applies to wire cores of other cables that are not part of SELV/PLV circuits. Standardized TP bus connector. The bus connector consists of two parts. 1. The plus part, red, and 2. The minus part, dark gray, which are mechanically linked by means of a dovetail joint. Attention, danger of reverse polarity. Up to 4 bus wires, 6 mm stripped, can be connected to each part by means of these screwless connectors. The bus connector is used for 1. Branching the bus cable, 2. Extending the bus cable, 3. Protecting the bus cable ends, for connecting the bus cable to bus devices. To avoid confusion with other electrical circuits, the bus connector should only be used for KNX TP. Advantage of KNX connector. 1. Branching cable, extending cable or connecting cables are realized by means of bus connectors. 2. Bus cable shall only end either at the device itself or at this bus connector. 3. Removal of bus devices without interrupting the bus. 4. Mechanical protection against reverse polarity. See you in the next free videos. Porto KNX. We make learning KNX free, simple, easy and attractive.